welcome back. This is Lynn. Today we're going to learn some dotted notes and rests. As usual, I'll show you some examples and leave you some homework to practice for the week. If you are new, this channel is about to give you some basic knowledges to play the piano from the very beginning. So consider subscribing if you like my lessons. Now let's play.
We have learned the note value in Lesson 2. Dotted notes are part of note values. If we put a dot right beside the note, it will add an extra duration of the basic note by half. That means a whole note with a dot will last one whole note plus a half one. In a 4/4 time signature, it will be 6 beats. A half note with a dot will last a half note plus a fourth note. Now take a few seconds to understand it. There are also notes written with 2 or 3 dots. You just need to add another value by half. However, these kind of notes won't appear very often. For every note value, there will be a corresponding rest. The rests are something that you don't necessarily need to memorize, because if there are rests, there won't be any notes, so you'll just stop playing. For those who would like to compose their own songs, you should at least remember how they look like, that you choose the right one if you need to. With dots and rests, a song becomes more vivid and lively. This is the beginning of Menuet in G from Beethoven. Very lovely and famous song. I'll play the first phrase twice, the first time without dots and just after that with the dots. So let's see if you can hear the difference. I think the differences are quite obvious. Here I've prepared some homework for you. The circled notes are B, they are new, and at the second line between 7th and 8th bar there is a tie. That means you don't need to play the note twice, okay? Let's hear it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe. Next week we will play a lovely lullaby. So I'll see you next week. Bye!